Hey guys, it's your girl Shantae, and I am back with another video. Finally back. I had took a break because I just had my baby girl. I need a little refresher and everything, but I am glad to be back posting again. But today's video is a grocery haul. As I told you guys before, I have been really trying to budget. Last month was kind of hard because I had two birthdays last month. My 2-year-old turned 3, my 11-year-old turned 12. So it was just really no budget at all, at all. But this month we budgeting, okay? So I'm gonna shop every 2 weeks. So this is a 2-week grocery haul. You'll see my other 2-week grocery haul later on in the month. But yes, so just a heads up, you guys. I got my old YouTube channel back, but that YouTube channel is gonna be basically for family videos and everything like that. So I will put a link down below in the description box so that you guys can go subscribe, and you guys will see the family, the kids, and everything over there, food challenges and everything. So don't forget to go subscribe over there because we're gonna have a lot of content over there, family fun, everything. Also, I do hair videos and everything over there. So this is my personal channel, but I'm going to just hop right into it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the other channel, and I'm gonna put everything away, take everything out of the bags and show you guys first. Yes, so let's hop right into it. This is just a week, 2 weeks worth of food. Hopefully, this is 2 weeks worth of food. You're gonna see what I got after I take out the bag. Alright, so we're gonna start at this table. That's all the mess I gotta clean up, but yeah. Alright, so first we got noodles. I got linguine, 2 elbows, the penne noodles, and ziti. I got Velveeta for those lazy nights. I got the ramen noodles. My daughter loves them. Heavy whipping cream. I got my rosemary. You'll see why I get those. I'm gonna show you guys in a different video. Strawberries, blueberries. I got chopped up peppers. And I got some green, the green onions, scallions. 2 butters, ricotta, lettuce, sour cream. I got lemon, tomatoes, cabbage, and I also got zucchini. Got some spinach, jasmine rice. This is the only rice that I prefer to get, actually. It tastes way better. And I got 2 things of eggs, tacos, because it's taco night tonight. I got a whole bunch of cheese. A whole bunch of cheese. Got some mozzarella cheese. I got string cheese so the kids like it. But I get this pack because, I don't want it to just go to waste and they get, old fast. So, yeah. So I got some grits, cranberry sauce, pineapple chunks, spaghetti sauce. I got canned sweet potatoes. And I also got this because I actually really like this. The mashed potato, baked potato with cheddar and bacon bits. The soup. I got some turkey, salmon, Texas toast. I got pizzas. You guys know I like the Red Baron pizzas. My family loves it. So I got 2 of these. And I got this. Over here's the drinks that I got just for now. They're going to be gone within 2 days with how my kids drink. So I got the Yoo-Hoo. My 3-year-old, he loves them. Got my waters. They were on sale. I'm going to get more. And then I got this. I'm trying to stop with the soda. But as you see, I still got soda. But next time I ain't going to get no soda. We're just going to get Brisk next time. Brisk and ginger ale. That's it. So I got the Brisk, the Crush. I love Grape Crush. The Mountain Dew, the Baja Blast. Got the Capri Suns and the Huggies barrel juices. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more drinks. But yeah, that's it for the table. That's the table. Yes. On to over here. Yay. So I got them the Verity pack of chips. I got this lemon ginger tea. I got my olive oil, garlic salt, ground ginger, curry, my pure vanilla extract, and my jerk seasoning. Got mild. I don't get it too hot because I got kids. They can't have it too spicy. I don't want to do that to them yet. No. They like spicy. I don't do it. So I got Brussels sprouts. I got 2 Brussels sprouts. I got the California style veggies. And I got my broccoli. You guys always know I get broccoli. I don't even got to tell you. So I got a whole chicken. This is all the meat that I got. I got chicken breast. The chicken wingettes. I got 2 packs of those. Another chicken breast down here. I got the beef for stir fry. They didn't have the chicken for stir fry, so I was just like, we gotta do beef. I got 2 grounded, hamburger meats. Beef cubes right here. And I also got the grounded turkey because for some reason the hamburger meat makes my stomach upset. So, yeah. So you guys, I got the ground turkey because hamburger meat, like I was explaining, makes my stomach kind of upset. I can't have it too much. So that's why I got ground turkey for me wise, and I just feel like it's just easier on the stomach. I'm not gonna say maybe it is healthier, but I don't know. I'm not, an expert, but it's better for my stomach. And we've been switching our whole thing up with everything with meats and stuff. So, yeah, that's why I got that. Just wanted to explain that real quick. So I got 2 things of chicken wings, bananas, oatmeal, cream of wheat, and I got the turkey sausages, got the links, and I also got the round ones right here. So, yeah. This was the turkey. I got the Toots cookie dough. These are my favorite. I got the Chips Ahoy, the chunks ones for kids. Got Go-Gurts, SpongeBob, because they love SpongeBob. You probably hear it in the background. So onto this. I got Fruit by the Foot. Fruit by the Foot. Ooh, I just said it wrong. Starburst. Yes. Show him. I got the brownies, cupcakes, the baby bundt cakes, chocolate one, snowballs. For some reason my daughter wanted that, but whatever. I got them pretzels, a variety pack of pretzels. And my baby girl, she loves her lollipops. So I got her lollipops. And I got them these Twinkies, like little bouncer Twinkies. They're actually good, but I can't eat them like that. So I got the donuts, 2 chocolate packs of donuts, oat milk cream pies, white cake, Welch's fruit snacks. I got 2 of them. Got the pink pack, and I got the juicy fruit ones. And then I got them Cheez-Its, their favorite. And then we got some Pop-Tarts. Last time they didn't send me no Pop-Tarts. I was so mad because that's when I was pregnant. I was so tight. But I got the strawberry milkshake and the wild berry. And then I got me my cottage cheese and strawberries. I got some Ensures. I'm going to get some more from Amazon, the bulk pack. And over here's the drinks. Let's move this apple juice. So I got green tea. I got the Body Armors because they are good for me because I do breastfeed, and these are the best drinks to have when you're breastfeeding. Okay? Mamas to be out there, mamas out there. Yes, I'm definitely going to have a video on how to promote breast milk and all that coming soon, and showing all the stuff. I'm going to like order everything and show you guys. So I got the 100 pure raw unfiltered honey. This is the best honey to get right here. Okay? So I got my palm juices, pomegranate orange blossom white tea, pomegranate elderberry boost tea, pomegranate peach passion white tea, and then I got pomegranate lemon tea, and I got 2 of each of them. So yeah, had to hide them. So I got Simply Peach. Always get Simply Peach. Y'all know that already. Got the Caribbean Sunset. I got my green machine. This has been helping really so much with my iron. As you guys know, like my iron was low, but that has been helping so much. So I got the passion fruit Welch's. This is really good. And like I said, we switched our milk to Lactaid. And everyone in the family loves the Lactaid. It goes down smoother. Nobody's tummy has been hurting. We got Lactaid. I got 2 of them. And after these are gone, I'm going to get more. So, yeah, this is all our food. Right, Mama? Yeah. And I'm going to put it all away. And I'm going to clean up that mess. So we're going to clean this all up right now. Let me show you the refrigerator.